we need to combine the terms in each of the three problems. So let's begin with part 1. In part 1, we have log of 3 plus 2. So what we'll do, we can rewrite our second term as log of 3 plus 2 times 1. We're using 1 here because we know that log of 10 with a base of 10, that's equals to 1. And in a case when the base is not provided, usually it is 10. So that means instead of 1, or in place of 1, we can rewrite it as 2 times log of 10 with a base of 10. Next, we can use the property. That means if we have a times log of b, so that's equivalent to log of b raised to the power of a. So our second term now becomes log of 3. Well, dropping the 10 there because that's assumed. It's 10. So we have log of 10 squared. So now we have two logarithm and they are like terms. So that means they can be combined using another property of logarithm, which is log of a plus log of b. So that's equals to log of a times b. Right. So this will give us log of 3 times 10 squared. So this will be log of 300. So the value of log of 300 is the same as log of 3 plus 2. So let's do part 2. We'll use the same idea now. So we have in part 2 log 3 squared. So you use this particular property here plus 3. So 3 will be 3 times log 10. So that's equals to log of 9 plus log of 10 cubed, which is log of 9 times 10 cubed. So 10 cubed means 1000. So 1000 multiplied to 9 is 9000. So this is the value of 2 log 3 plus 3. And moving on to number 3. So in part 3, we have 1. So 1 means we have log of 10 plus log of 27. So 27 is 3 cubed raised to the power of 1/3, which will be log of 10 plus log of 3. So here 3 and 1/3 gets multiplied to give us 1. Now we can combine this to give us log of 30. So the value of log of 30 is the same as 1 plus 1/3 of log 27.